Court is now in session. Please be seated. That's how you vote in the court.
Commonwealth versus Rochelle Wood and Commonwealth versus Terry Burdick.
All right, the case is scheduled for a dangerousness hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Commonwealth ready to go?
Your Honor, the Commonwealth is asking for a brief continuance to Monday. The reason being, the victim and witness in this case is unavailable today due to ongoing treatment from this attack. And we would like to have her testimony regarding this hearing.
All right, so she's actually being treated for injuries sustained in what you allege was an attack by these two defendants?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right.
Because I have not developed my client.
Yep.
I would say I'm ready.
All right. Under the circumstances, I mean, where apparently this person is seeking medical treatment as a result of something that allegedly happened at the hands of these two defendants, obviously not proven yet, but I will grant a continuance to Monday, all right? So we'll go on for the 22nd at 9 o'clock, okay? All right, I'll put on for 2 o'clock, all right?
2 o'clock.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you all.
I have filed a motion, Your Honor. I went down to the scene earlier today. There is a CCTV attached to the JFK Museum that appears to be able to see the area where the report indicates this happened. And also, there was a fight earlier, I believe, on the village green that I'd like to see. I know there's prior cases, I know there's CCTV on the village green.
All right, I'll take no objection to that, right? Thank you.
In addition, Your Honor, there's two gentlemen walking in the courtroom now. I just asked the court to recognize them to be here as almost witnesses for Monday's hearing. So Mr. Ross Walmsley.
All right, Mr. Walmsley, come up, please. Swear him in, sir.
Raise your right hand, sir. Always swear to testify.
You have been identified as an essential witness in this case, and I'm ordering you to recognize, which means you have to be here at Monday at 2 o'clock in this courtroom for a dangerousness hearing. If you fail to appear, a warrant for your arrest will issue, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you need to speak to him further today?
No, thank you.
All right, you're free to go, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Is there a second person?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Maxwell Heron.
All right, Maxwell Heron, please.
Always swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing.
All right, you've been identified as an essential witness in this case by the Commonwealth. If you fail to appear at 2 o'clock on Monday, a warrant for your arrest will issue. All right? Okay. Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, anything else we need to do on this case? Do you want me to sign those?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Now in session. Please be seated.
Back on the record, folks, good afternoon. On the matter regarding Commonwealth versus Rochelle Wood and Commonwealth versus Terry Burdick.
All right, the case is scheduled for a dangerousness hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, it is, Your
All
Honor.
right, Commonwealth ready to go?
Your Honor, the Commonwealth is asking for a brief continuance to Monday. The reason being, the victim and witness in this case is unavailable today due to ongoing treatment from this attack.
So she's actually being treated for injuries sustained in what you allege was an attack by these two defendants?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Under the circumstances, I mean, where apparently this person is seeking medical treatment as a result of something that allegedly happened at the hands of these two defendants, obviously not proven yet, but I will grant a continuance to Monday, all right?